Jacksonville doing our third community cleanup. Hot out here, but work must be done. You can be one less.
How you doing? Max. And I'm here today on behalf of one less. I just want to say, God bless you. And strive to be one less. It's not just a movement, it's a lifestyle. God bless you.
No, I'm not supposed to say. This is our third community clean-up event. This is the third Sunday we have been out here. The first Sunday it was raining, so lovely. As you can see, I'm sweating. This is the third Sunday. The second Sunday we've been so hot, but today it's like 200 degrees out here. So, goodbye. One less.
My name Bookie B. Yeah, I'm 13. Oh, what's wrong with that? I'm still a PGE. Yeah, we killing it. Confidential, not cocky. It's just simple. Get with the program. This mascot free.
Shawty looking at me. She know I put it on. I ask her how she do it. She say this a favorite song.